Here's a recap of the top solar development of June 2023. India's floating solar capacity is projected to cross the 10 gigawatt mark by 2031. A new report reveals that the global floating solar market is expanding and will likely cross the 6 gigawatt threshold by 2031. India, Indonesia and China, three countries that accounted for 70% of the demand for floating PV in 2022, are set to dominate this market. Indian government to reduce electricity tariff during solar hours. Electricity rate will be 10 to 20% lower during the daytime hours and 10 to 20% higher during the peak hours. The new time of the day tariff system will facilitate the integration of renewable energy in the grid. Gujarat emitted 9.32 million tons less carbon during the energy production after the implementation of Gujarat Solar Policy 2021. The state has also secured agreement for over 7.2 gigawatt of solar and wind power capacity. Pune Metro to install 9 megawatt of solar capacity by Feb 2024. Pune Metro has solar plants at 9 stations with a total capacity of 2.3 megawatt, which together generates 11,500 units daily. The organization's existing capacity helps in saving 25.5 lakhs every month. Rajasthan to develop the solar projects for 83 megawatt under PM Kusum scheme. Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company successfully implements over 10,000 solar projects in Pune Circle. Solar power installations rises by 75% in western Madhya Pradesh. Patna plans to add 10 megawatt of rooftop solar capacity by year end. Kolkata Metro to add 2.79 megawatt solar capacity by 2024. Thanks for watching and follow us for more such videos.